Let's get going and let's go straight into chapter 1 of the Airvine University applications. Little brief introduction in case you didn't see our first course. Airvine Scientific was founded to solve the problem of indoor enterprise networking. You may not know you had a problem, but if you've tried to deploy new Ethernet Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 8, and you've had to run conduits and you've been doing construction, this isn't the easiest thing to do in the world. Many of you have been doing it so long you don't even know how difficult what you're doing is. What we're going to do is show you how that WaveTunnel solution really solves problems in each of five critical applications that we've identified so far. The first application that we're going to delve into in the second course of the Airvine University is MDU or multifamily. And there are two branches of that. One are apartment complexes that we're all familiar with, but there's another subset of that, senior living assisted facilities, that has some slightly different and even more critical use case requirements. After that, we'll go into chapter 3, where we'll discuss the hospitality use case. What are the challenges in upgrading your network in hospitality or expanding your network to areas where you've never had before, and how the WaveTunnel can help you do that more efficiently and with less disruption. Our chapter 4 on the industrial market, we'll be covering warehouses and factories. And there's quite a bit of industry revolution going on in the factory space and the warehouse space in terms of robotics, 3D printing, et cetera. And we'll describe how the WaveTunnel solves those networking issues in the industrial market. Chapter 5, large venues, arenas, stages, concerts, conference rooms. Anywhere where you're putting on a show or a large venue is hosting different types of shows, we'll explain to you there how the WaveTunnel comes in and makes you more efficient, more profitable in that application. And lastly, in chapter 6, we're going to address the education market. The education market, again, has particular requirements and use cases because of who's actually using it that are make it different than the multifamily or the hospitality. So come with us, learn a little bit more in each of these chapters, watch them in order, choose which ones are interesting to you, or watch the entire presentation at full length on Airvine University.